Hey, hello, what's going on, beautiful people, loyal subscribers, World Wide Web? Guys, it's me, Marlon O Bennett, and I'm back in another How to Make Money with Your PC YouTube video. Okay, now I'm installing a brand new series in my How to Make Money with Your PC YouTube video series, guys, and I'm actually spreading it across multiple channels. And so, what I'm doing is I'm reintroducing my big previously $10 cash giveaway. I've upped the ante a little bit. So now it's going to be my big $20 cash giveaway. And in all of the videos in this series, guys, I'll actually be giving everybody who happens to be tuned in a free gift, right? I'm going to be giving you a free gift, and you also will have an opportunity to win cash and prizes. And that cash prize, when it's cash, can be as much as $20, okay? Cash, guys. And we're going to talk about the details in that. But I want to get my initial big $20 cash giveaway up and running so we can get this series started. Now, guys, we're talking about how to make money with your PC. There are a million and one ways that you can make money with your PC. So you might want to subscribe if you're looking for a way to make money with your PC, and you want to be subscribed so when I give away these cash prizes and all these free gifts that I'm actually going to hand to you guys, that you'll be in line and you can get it, okay? So we talk about making money working with your PC. We know that there are 1,001 ways to do it. You guys who know me know I do it through affiliate and email marketing. That's how I do it, guys. That's how the pros have done it for years. That's how I do it. And you know what? So far, it's been working pretty good. But now, guys, let's talk about the two things that I'm going to give you today. First of all, I'm going to give everybody who's watching this video an opportunity to actually win a free Xbox, right? Did you all hear that? Everybody watching this video is going to have an opportunity to win a free Xbox. 100% guaranteed if you win, delivered right to your doorstep. Secondly, guys, I'm going to give you a free automated marketing system. How is that for a big $20 cash giveaway? In fact, this giveaway is worth way more than $20. So I want you guys to listen in. I'm going to explain to you guys exactly how the free Xbox works and how you guys can plug into your own free automated marketing system right now today. And I'm going to explain how it works. So for you guys who are looking for ways to make money on your PC, you can actually use the free Xbox giveaway as a marketing funded proposal, right? Sort of like a to build your list, if you will, by giving away Xboxes. It's really, really cool. So first of all, in order to qualify to win a free Xbox, what you guys need to do is this page will be right below this YouTube video, or it'll be right below this video in a continue button. And what you guys are going to do is you're going to come down here where it says instantly unlock your choice of autopilot leads, income, and traffic. Now, whether or not you guys want to do what we call monetize this free marketing system is totally up to you. If you are a list builder or an aspiring email affiliate marketer, then you can unlock, let's get out of here, you can actually unlock the leads portion of this particular system. If you're a person who's looking to make money as you're building your list with the leads that you're going to be bringing into the system, and you want spending money, you can unlock that portion too. If you want even more money, there are all kinds of affiliate offers built in and throughout the funnel. You can click here, unlock that portion. If you want social traffic, right? YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, that type of thing, you can unlock that portion of it. And if you want free paid traffic, guys, and anybody who's in business of any sort, you can use that, right? Free paid traffic. You're going to really like how this works. You can unlock that portion as well. Now, if you're a person, a mid-level marketer, and you don't want to need any of those things, you got enough spending money, you got enough big money, you got enough social traffic, you don't want free paid traffic. Duh. This is what I want you guys to do. To qualify for the free Xbox, just put your name inside of the box. And this is how it's going to work. When you go to unlock, right, what's going to happen is you're going to enter your best email address. And when you do, guys, you'll be qualified to win the free Xbox, which is given away every 90 days like clockwork. You enter your name and your email address in there, you're going to be eligible to win that free Xbox. Now, for the actual system in and of itself, you guys can actually go inside of here and unlock whatever it is you're looking for. Again, if you are an aspiring email marketer, you can use this same automated marketing system, which also has the built-in leads if you unlock it, which also has the spending money if you unlock it, which has the big money if you unlock it, and you'll see when you do, social traffic and free paid traffic, all within the free automated marketing system. The automated marketing system is free. So what I'm going to do, guys, for you guys who are list builders, you can actually integrate this capture page with your Get Response account or any contact management system that you have. So when we talk about being able to give something away and have an opportunity to make money at the same time, that's a great way to make money with your PC, because I promise you, and I know a lot of you guys may have kids and even spouses or aunts, nieces, nephews, cousins. You might have a neighbor. You know, we stuck in the house a lot of times with this COVID going on. So I'm not a gamer, but you know somebody who might be interested in a free Xbox. Now, does that mean you're gonna necessarily win? No, but if you don't give me your email address, you won't even be eligible to win, and you don't have anything to lose. And you can pick up this free marketing system right now. It's not going to cost you a single dime. And then in the future, guys, when you decide that you really want to get out there and start rocking and rolling with your affiliate marketing business, you can use, right, this capture page, because that's what this is, guys. It's a list building capture page. It's an automated marketing system to integrate with your autoresponder. But here's the cool thing. Even if you don't have an autoresponder, you'll still be able to access your leads inside of the actual system. So that's what's got me super pumped up and super excited about the relaunch of my big 10, well, now $20 cash giveaway, because I'm always going to be giving you guys something free. I'm always going to lead with value. I'm always going to make sure that you guys are in this place where you're able to get the techniques, tools, resources, tactics, and strategies in addition to the actual marketing system, so that you can continue to or start to build and grow and scale your own affiliate marketing business. That is just too cool. That is why I'm super pumped up and super excited. If you want to go ahead and get qualified for the free Xbox, guys, you're going to give me your name, your email address, and you guys are going to be eligible. If you just want yourself a free marketing system that you can use to start building your own list, right, with an ethical bribe, because most people, when they see this, they're just going to do it just for the heck of it. I know I did. And then for you more serious-minded people who actually want to hit the ground running, and you're looking for more leads for your affiliate marketing business. You're looking for more spending money inside of your affiliate marketing business. You want some really big money inside your affiliate marketing business. You want social traffic or free paid traffic. This is really great. Then you guys are going to want to check this out right now. I love this actual platform. I love the way that it works. I'm actually a big fan of Brian Winters, who actually put this thing together. And Brian Winters, by the way, puts together some of the most amazing automated marketing systems that I've ever seen. And the thing about most of Brian's systems are, they are what I like to consider autonomous list building systems. And you're going to find all that out as you come through the system. So if you don't do anything else but get qualified to win yourself a free Xbox, then go ahead on and give me your name and your email address, and you'll be qualified. And for you guys who just want the actual free marketing system, you don't want to unlock the leads, you're going to do it on your own, you got enough spending money, hey, if that's all good, that's all good with me too. I'm really super pumped and excited. You guys can see I'm uploading videos. I got a video premiering right now across a couple of other channels. Guys, in spite of this pandemic, we're going to continue to position ourselves in this place, in this space where we're ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things we never knew. And when we talk about how to make money on your PC, It's just never going to stop, guys. So again, now what I'm doing, I'm uploading all my videos to all my channels because it's taking me too much time to run back and forth between channels. So I'm just going to start loading all the videos up on all the channels. I know I've been away from this particular channel, if this is my main channel, for a while because I've been working on the other two channels. I appreciate you guys who are on my list. If you're on my list and you're getting this, I appreciate you guys who have found this video for the first time and sat patiently enough through my rambling and stumbling through my words to watch the actual video. And I look forward to hearing from you guys, getting on my list. And remember, guys, we're talking about the new big $20 cash giveaway. It's going to actually be some cash given away in this series too. If I were you, I would go ahead and subscribe before I come back to my senses. Anyway, as always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging. I will see you guys on the inside, hopefully on my list soon, and I'll see you on the next video.